Oh my acquaintances. Review of the packaging. Nothing seems broken so far. They send a coupon code with it. This is large. I didn't expect this palette to be so large. But I do like the packaging. The shipping took a very long time. I think I ordered it on Cyber Monday or Black Friday, one of the two. Get started then. The Vivacious palette is for the creative, the bold, and those who adore playing with pigment. Vivacious is the merging of creativity and fun.
This 35 shade palette is a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and cosmetic grade glitters, giving you every texture possible to play with. Okay.
It recommends using a damp brush for the glitters, but we'll see how they do it without that. But it does say it recommends that. It is cruelty-free, not vegan. Okay, so this is pretty much vacuum sealed. This is not slipping around during packaging. It has a smell. I recognize the smell, but I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just spray glue. I believe this is just like a thing in it. The palette, actual palette. Yeah, it's the same on both this and this. You see the glitter better now. I've only seen one review really, and it wasn't very in-depth. Okay. It's true to what you see on your Instagram ads. It's very true to the ads. And the shades are all large. I do like the shade names, and it all cream flare, dreamy, doll face, simmer, sunshine, olive. I'm just reading out the shade names to you because I like them. Elegance, class, juicy, heated up, player, orb, root, intimate, magic, sundown, autumn, smoothie, zesty, palm, desired, sweetie, stun, destiny, pucker, galactic, grape, excite, spaceship, raspberry, cool down, beyond, train wreck, and lost. Criticism that I was thinking when I saw it was like, there's like 4 of the same pink shade, and the oranges all kind of look the same, but they actually look different in person. Alright, howdy. We're gonna swatch these now. The best thing about the pretty glitter packaging is it's not real glitter, so nothing gets on your hands. When I read Trainwreck, did I say me? 'Cause me. They feel so soft. I love when eyeshadows feel soft. I hate when they're chalky. Cream doesn't have much pigment, but it's also like a skin tone. Well, my skin tone. Well, darker than my skin tone, because this shirt is my skin tone. But I love when eyeshadows are actually soft. Oh, the camera's not doing it justice. I'll have to show it on my other camera, but because it just, I don't know, that makes it feel like they're high quality to me when they're soft to the touch. It makes me want to like rub my fingers in them all day. Simmer. These are so neat. They're so neat. Because you can't even really see the swatches, I'm not gonna do them live on camera. Do this palette. Final thoughts. Oh, I haven't really tried it on my eyes yet. All these colors are so pretty. Let me be critical. Shipping, far too long. They probably were busy though. I take that criticism out. They were probably busy and it came from overseas. Take that criticism out, but just keep it in mind that it may come a long time. And some of the pink mattes could have done without one of them, at least. They're really, really similar. I feel like some mattes are better than others. I wish that they could have used a consistent formula. Buildable. I'm gonna have to do so much editing because I can't talk. It's good. It's good. It's not a scam. And if you see this ad pop up on your Instagram for the 5th time, you should buy it. It does have a little magnet clasp, which I know most palettes have it now, but it's really important. Some palettes just flop open and closed all the time, and it's good to have one that you know. Bye, subscribe. See you later, all you haters.